I am now in AC wire production line. Let us review AC wire assembly and testing production line here, one by one. These two stations is for AC wire. Here in the installation practice, yeah, focus on here. Okay. Okay. This station is for stamping the terminal. The first station, stamping one. Okay. Stamping two. Stamping three. After stamping finished, the workman starts visual inspection on off AC wire to check the appearance is compliance SOP or not. Take photos here. After stamping finished, this production lamp, these guys do assembly, the AC enclosure, practice enclosure, and AC wires. When the AC wires are assembled in practice socket, use this machine tiled wire. This instrument is for AC integrated tester. The test item involved insulation resistance test, internal hypo test, 2.5 kV, and external hypo test for 4.2 kV. Also test internal leakage current and external leakage current here. And this machine also calculates OK counter when AC wire is cast by this machine here. And this is engine counter. After finished the test, these two guys take the AC wire for packing.